This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare magnesium sulfate versus Epsom salt. Let's clarify their fundamental relationship. Magnesium sulfate is the core chemical compound. Epsom salt is simply the common name for magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, meaning it has 7 water molecules attached. Essentially, they are the same substance, just in slightly different forms, both offering numerous benefits for well-being and practical uses around the home. Delving deeper into their chemistry, magnesium sulfate refers to the anhydrous form, meaning it contains no water molecules. In contrast, Epsom salt is specifically magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, incorporating 7 water molecules into its crystal structure. This subtle yet significant difference in hydration is why Epsom salt often appears as larger, more distinct crystals, and it also influences how quickly each dissolves in water. When it comes to practical applications, both magnesium sulfate and Epsom salt offer a wide array of benefits. Many people enjoy adding them to bathwater for muscle relaxation and stress reduction. They can also serve as an effective, short-term laxative for occasional constipation. Furthermore, gardeners frequently use them to enrich soil, promoting healthier plant growth and addressing magnesium deficiencies in crops. While chemically similar, there are key considerations. Anhydrous magnesium sulfate is more concentrated by weight due to the absence of water. However, Epsom salt is the more commonly available and user-friendly form for most household and personal care applications. Always adhere to recommended dosage guidelines, especially for internal use. If you have any underlying health conditions, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating either into your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.